Hello again, it's me, Laura. You're gonna hear my dog eating food in the background and probably my husband talking in the background, but I'm getting ready to go to the chiropractor for the first time. Well, I mean, I went to a chiropractor with my mom when I was younger because she got in a car accident, and I think he cracked my neck, but I can't really remember, so nobody knows because my mom is dead, so I can't ask her. Anyway, while I'm waiting to leave for my appointment, I thought I'd show you some stuffs that I got. I ordered FabFitFun for the first time, and I got these Rae Dunn guacamole and salsa bowls. I'm not really a big fan of Rae Dunn, but I know people who are, so I thought this would be a good gift option. I got these, which is like a sample, and I already tried them. I don't really understand how it hydrates you more. Like, I was trying to figure that out. Cellular transport technology. I don't know about all that, but I do know it has lots of B vitamins, which I need because I'm always tired, and potassium because I know I don't get enough potassium. I ordered these little cute socks. They have like little grippies on the bottom for yoga and Pilates, so that I'm not sliding everywhere and also looking adorbs. I got this thing, which I forgot what it is. Oh, it's a foot file. I got this, which I wanted to use it earlier, and I totally forgot because I washed my face earlier with something else that I got in this box. I got Dr. Brandt's face wash or something, which I was a little nervous to use because I'm using prescription stuff on my face right now, and that has salicylic acid in it, but the salicylic acid was kind of like second to the last on the list, so I was like, how much could be in there? It didn't say, but I thought I'd try it, so that's that. I got this, I think this is bags I need. Let's get reusable silverware and put it in 27 million bags. Yeah, this is reusable silverware. Why is it a different color? Seems pretty sturdy though. What else did I get? Oh, I got this watermelon stuff with niacinamide, which is supposed to be really good for your skin. I'm sure everybody knows that. Everybody watches Hiram. Why can't I open it? There we go. That smells good. Let's try it. Oh, I'm scared. Smells good. I mean, there's a little hint of a watermelon scent in there, but it's refreshing, and I need something fucking refreshing in this heat. I got this fruit butter lip mask. I should put on my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. Let's see if I can open this. Well, this says an overnight lip mask, but I'm gonna use it right now. Ooh. Okay, that goes much further than I thought it was going to. Why are my lips kind of feeling numb? And then I got this Living Proof dry shampoo, which I don't know if I ordered this. I mean, maybe I did, because I don't have hair, so I don't know why I would order this, but maybe I did. Like I said, it's my first time getting FabFitFun, so I don't really know how that works. Like if they give you everything you choose, or if they're like, hey, have this. And then I got some stuff from Earth Hero. This thing is a bamboo drying rack, which I've already been using. Let me show you. That's it. We got it really to, why did we get it? To dry our reusable sandwich bags, because we had, no, don't fall. We had something else and it just wasn't working. So we got that and it's working so far. We got some bug sprays because it's summer here and the bugs and mosquitoes get really bad in the summer. And last year I got eaten alive. So I got a couple bug sprays to try. I got some apple cider vinegar citrus shampoo bar for hair, obviously, which we're almost out of our old shampoo. I got some beeswax wrapper to replace saran wrap because we're almost out of that. I got, oh, I didn't get this from Earth Hero. I got this from Amazon for camping and stuff. Oh, I got these little toothpaste bites, which I think are really cool. My husband thinks they're stupid. Go away. I don't know what this is. I got this separate. I don't know what it is. Should I open it? What is this? Oh, I got this pain relieving balm for muscle joint ache because I like worked out for a week and I thought I needed some like joint cream. And then I got another sore muscle relief because I wanted to try 2 different kinds to see which one I like better. I mean, I am gonna be 38 this year, so you know, it's like something's always painful. I got this guy too for camping and traveling. It's a manual coffee grinder that's coming apart already. I don't quite know how this works. I guess I put the beans in here. And then I think this is a storage container for the beans. See anything else? I bought these wig caps to wear with my wigs for my wig haul. So if I wear those, I'm gonna do it because my hair is getting longer and these stupid hairs don't want to stay back. And then I got wig cap or wig glue for that one specifically that's like a lace front that needs to be glued down. And I think that's all I got. Like, here's 67 million things. But that's out. That's it. That's all. So I want to tell you that water hydrator thing that I got on FabFitFun. I tried the watermelon already and it was pretty good. It tasted salty weirdly. So I don't know if that's how they like keep you hydrated, by like giving you salt so that your body needs to retain more water. I don't know if that's accurate, but like I said, it's really hot here. We sweat a lot. We sweat out salt. So I think that's it for right now. I'm going to head out to my chiro appointment, and I wish I could like film it. I'm really I'm really scared because I can like never pop my neck. My daughter and my husband can totally just go and pop their neck, and I can't, and he's gonna do it, and I'm a little nervous that my neck is just gonna like shatter, but that's dumb to think about that. So I'll keep you updated. Hey, so I am home. My phone died while I was gone, and I came home and ate because I was starving. Went to the chiropractor. The whole time I was like, kind of like, this is fine, whatever. Like, he popped my neck a little bit, which I was nervous about. And then he like pulled on my legs and popped like my hip joint, and my lower back pain was instantly relieved. Like, instant. Like, it's crazy. And I'm just sitting here and I'm like, my back doesn't hurt. Like, it always hurts like a little bit. And right now there's like no pain. None at all. And I'm like so relaxed. Like, I don't feel like I need to like readjust every 2 seconds or anything. So like, it was maybe like a 30-minute appointment maybe. Totally worth it. Doing it again, like every day. I'm going every day. Not really. I have a what's it called? A follow-up? A reassessment is what I wanted to call it, next week. And then he said maybe maintenance if I wanted it. So yeah, this is going to be like the end of this vlog. And I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah. I'm in awe of the chiropractor. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.